Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I feel like I'm getting a little bit Christmassy here. I brought the red lip out. If anyone wants to know, it's MAC Ruby Woo. It was a random red lip liner, I don't know where it was, but I'm feeling festive, I'm feeling the red. I'm sure you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, but today I am actually partnering up with Goo Goo Hair once more. If you watched my last video, which is actually doing quite well on my channel, I've had a lot of questions about the hair extensions that I use. I have gone through multiple different types of like hair extensions. If you've been here for a while, you'll know that I used to be bleach blonde and I had like tape-in extensions, then I went darker, was using clip-ins, I tried nano bond extensions, and then earlier this year, I think it was, I was sent some extensions from Goo Goo and fell in love. They're the only hair extensions that I actually use at the moment because they match my hair so well and the quality of them are amazing. And to be fair, I didn't pay for those ones as I was working with the brand, but they are affordable. They're not like £300–400 for a good pack of quality hair extensions. So I am back teaming up with them again, and I'm actually going to be talking to you about their new double drawn hair extensions. I didn't really know what that meant at first, but double drawn is actually just a term for the hair being just as thick at the bottom as it is at the top. Most affordable hair extensions, I suppose, or like your normal classic clip-ins, they tend to thin out at the bottom, and that is like your natural hair really. And that's not to say that their other extensions aren't amazing, because I'm actually going to compare the two for you here, my old ones and the new ones that I'm going to be putting in today. But it just means that the hair is thicker from root to tip. They are still 100% Remy human hair, and I believe that the double drawn ones are 160 grams. I have the 20-inch extensions. I think before they might have been 22. I did want to go for the 18-inch, but at the time when they were shipping them out, they were sold out. But I was thinking of 18 because my hair has actually grown a little bit the past few months. I am on a hair journey, which is why I don't have any like permanent hair extensions in. It is growing a lot. I'm so happy. My colour has lifted slightly from when I last had it done, but I'm not gonna get it done again. I just do need a little bit of a trim. I got the exact same colour as last time because they do still match my hair really well, which is caramel blonde. Like I said, they're 20-inch ones, and these are the double drawn new hair extensions. Sorry that I'm waffling a little bit. I'm just trying to put all the information out there, but if I do miss anything or you've kind of forgotten what I've just said, everything that I've talked about will be in the description along with the link to the different products. And they are actually doing some Black Friday sales, so I will pop the offer on the screen as well as in the description, and I will have a discount code for you guys to use as well, which is really exciting. But if you want to see how I get my hair from this to this, then just keep watching. So my hair is freshly washed and I have just used my Dyson to dry it and just kind of smooth it out. I do need to straighten my hair slightly, which I will do in a minute. So the box is still the same. I've got the other one here. I've got two boxes. These are my old ones, I believe. I've had them for quite a while now and obviously used them a lot. This is how I keep them in the little box. I keep it in the little bag that they come with. I don't know what it is when you get new hair extensions, but it always seems to be such a shiny, lovely, soft feel to them. I don't know if it's like how they make them, and obviously they turn up like that. Over time, I have obviously washed these 3–4 times maybe, and I use like products and oils and heat protectant in them. It does not feel maybe as soft now, and these probably do need another wash. However, these were the seamless ones that I got last time, so still in the shade caramel blonde, but these are like the seamless topped there. So I think these are great. Obviously I've been using these, and I think these are 22-inch ones, and obviously I curled them last time. Kind of hard to tell, but I run my hand down them and then you can see that it gets a little bit thinner there at the bottom. These are still really, really good quality, really, really thick. You get a little scrunchie in there, I had that before, and a little clip if you want to use that to section your hair, and then some little spare clips just in case. And then you've got your instruction booklet if you do wish to read through that. I'll just take these out of the net. You can see how much shinier they are just because they are new. I mean, this still has a nice bit of shine to it, and of course it's got the wave in this one. So these are the old ones, these are the new ones. These aren't the seamless ones, so they don't have that seamless edge. the edge kind of looks like your classic hair extension there, but they are still just as good. I don't really think it makes too much difference, if I'm honest. But watch my hand now when I run my hand down these. So these are 2 inches shorter, I think, because they're 22, these are 20. So from root to tip, it goes in a tiny bit, but this is so thick. These are beautiful. Okay, so we've got 2 4 clips in this one. Got 2 4 clips there. Got a 3 clip and another 3 clips, so 2 3 clips, and then I'm guessing 2 2 clips. And then there's 4 1 clips. That's interesting. So this is the old seamless 1 clip. Then this is the new one. So there's like a tiny bit less hair on these, but there's 4 1 clips where there's only 2 1 clips in that one. So you're not getting any less hair, it's just spread out a little bit more. Right, I'm gonna quickly go off camera and just straighten my hair just so it's a little bit more sleek. Then I'm gonna pop the new hair extensions in. So I don't know if I'm gonna need to use all of these. What I would usually do is put like a 3 weft at the bottom where my hair is like obviously a thinner nape of the neck, then like a 4, a 3, I tend to do the 2 and the 1, but I have more to play with here. So what I'm gonna do is section from my ear and just kind of swoop down just a little bit, clip. I'm gonna take a 3 weft. I will actually use my back combing brush just a little bit. Feel about where that feels central, push it down, slide it, clip it, and then do each side. I tend to give it like a little move around just so it kind of grips into the hair. So then I just kind of take it another inch up, make sure there's enough room between the last extension and to put another one. I might use another 3 clip for this and then use a 4 above it maybe. And then again, section. This time I kind of go by my brows for the 3rd one, and then you know that's like the widest part of your head here. And twist that bit up. I don't know whether to put another 4 clip just above that because it's quite close to the top of my head. You want to make sure you've got enough hair on the top layer, but also not too much, where if your hair's quite blunt, you'll see that top layer sitting there and it won't blend into the extension. So you need to get a good balance between it. So I feel like I need something there. So I'll do a 2 clip. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Now I've got the majority of the thick ones in. I love it so much. But now we need to add thickness around the front. Don't forget the front, because otherwise this looks so silly. I'm gonna do one like a little bit further back here, and then I need one more just a little bit higher up, I think, by there. Actually, I think that might be okay. Like, it's natural to have shorter front bits anyway, and I can always do that kind of like here. Nice, I think that is great. So I've got a 2 clip and a 4 clip left over here, but because my hair is a little bit thinner, I don't feel like I need to use them all. I think I mentioned it in my other video, and I do say to people, if you have more blunt hair or you've put your extensions in and then you notice your short bits at the bottom poke out here, like, I can't see it now, mine do blend in okay actually, but sometimes my underneath bits like poke out and I feel like they don't blend in enough, like that short bit there. Feel free to take the bottom layer of your hair and plait it to pin it up. That does help things look a little bit more natural if you struggle to blend your hair properly. It takes a little bit of hair out of the equation, and then the bottom layer of your hair is the extension first. You don't have that little bit of hair down. It feels incredible. Let me show you the ends. These are the ends. And then what I do do a lot of the time is double check the back of my hair with a mirror in front to look behind, just to make sure it all blends, especially if you are going to straighten it. So I'm just going to go and check if mine blends as well as I want it to. I would say mine looks pretty good. If anything, I could have taken something slight bit higher, but you don't want to go too high to the top of your head. So I am going to leave it at that. And obviously you could go ahead and then curl it all together, which I do curl my extensions a lot. Obviously my old ones here. These, obviously the new ones. These are the old ones. But I think I'm going to leave it straight for now. I'm really liking it. And I feel like it just looks so natural as well. Like when I wear my extensions, a lot of people don't even guess that I'm wearing extensions, which is literally what you want. You want it to look like your hair. And it's always when I'm wearing these Goo Goo Hair extensions that people, if I'm adjusting something, they're like, oh my god, they're extensions. I thought that was your own hair, which is like such a compliment because they obviously look great. All the details will be in the description, along with any information on their Black Friday deals and my discount code. Thank you again to Goo Goo Hair for partnering up with me for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and this was helpful and useful to you. If you did enjoy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'm gonna go and take some pictures of my luscious long locks. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!